Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! I'm actually getting ready right now to go out for New Year's Eve, but by the time you're watching this, it's already 2018. I hope the start to your year has been awesome so far. But let's get started with this video. I'm doing a bold lip, subtle eye kind of look, but I realized I forgot my eyeliner at home. I'm not at home right now, so I need to improvise. And I figured what better video than to show you my hack for when you don't have eyeliner, but you want to achieve like a smoky eye, a little bit of eyeliner look. If you want to see how I do it with no liquid liner at all, then just keep on watching. All right, let's get it started. You're just gonna need 3 things to complete this hack. 1, a Q-tip. The other being some eyeshadow. I'm using the darkest color from this Kneaded Nude palette by e.l.f. It's a dark brown color. Obviously, normally with eyeliner, you like to do black, but I don't have black in the kit that I have today, so we're gonna improvise. I don't mind a nice brown liner anyway, so we're gonna use this. And then the third thing is just some water. So it's really just these 3 items. So what I'm going to do, and honestly what I normally do if I don't have liner is I'll use like a angled brush. You know, one of those that I like to use for my eyebrows. That really works well, but I really am just improvising here because I don't have one of those brushes either. So we're just gonna dip on into this. So I already wet my Q-tip and now I'm just going to go along this eyeshadow, just like this. So as you can see, the tip of the Q-tip is filled with the brown shadow. I'm just going to be gentle with it. I'm going to take the Q-tip as my applicator and I'm just going to close my eye, kind of like spread it out and gently go along where my lashes are, just so that I could actually color in right where the liner would go. Pretty simple, right? I'm just going to do this and I'm going to ever so gently just brush this Q-tip with the eyeshadow on it. Already, you could tell that there is some color to it. I just added a little bit more shadow. Now I'm going back in. And you can make it as thick as you want it. And when I apply extra eyeshadow after the first like application, I like to dip it into the shadow palette and then I like to do like a little bit of tap off because especially since I have my makeup on, I don't want any fallout to go on. So we're gonna just spread it and just lightly go towards the inner corner. But for me, I don't like when my eyeliner goes all the way down to like the inner corner. I kind of like it midway where my pupil is. That's kind of where I stop. I like to just do like, it's kind of like a sultry cat eye, if you will. So I'm just going to measure it out like this and lightly stroke it through. Gives this like a little bit of a smoky look. And really guys, it's like that easy. Hack! Love a good hack. But you can tell already the difference. So this side of my face has no eyeliner, no shadow, but this side does. I think that this eye looks so much more awake versus this eye. I just think that it does so much and it's so simple. It's just literally like a sweep of eyeshadow over there and you have this beautiful like smoky eye look. So I'm actually going to add on to this by adding a little bit of a wing. Now this is a optional thing, but I want to do it. It's going to be a little bit hard with the Q-tip, but I'm gonna go for it. So I'm just going to I'm just going to spread it like this and I'm going to follow where my lashes are and just do like a little, I'm just going to extend that line out, just like that. So it gives a little bit of a smoky look to it. If you could see this eye versus this eye, this is more of like a daytime look, subtle. So there you have it. That's my hack. Let's just fast do this eye now. Same procedure. Going in, brushing ever so gently. Now to fan it out, we're just going to grab the eye, pull it back, and extend this line naturally. And you could pull this as far as you want out, but I just like it subtle, just like this. Alright guys, so that completes this video. Super simple, such an awesome hack. Definitely comes in handy for someone that's traveling. I've definitely been moving around lately a lot, going back and forth from places, so it's definitely really cool to have little hacks like this, because the other day, I figured it out the other day when I didn't have eyeliner. I was crushed, and I know it's not a big deal, but I had a look in mind, and I was sad that I didn't have eyeliner, so I came up with this trick, and since then I'm like, this is awesome. This definitely works. It's easy, and I honestly feel like it's easier than applying eyeliner. It's kind of like foolproof because it is shadow, and let's just say you do mess up a little bit, it's so easy to take it off and fix, whereas liner I feel like is more of a like Sharpie pen. It's a little bit harder to get off, and it's just more there, so when you do mess up, it's harder to clean up and conceal. So I definitely love this hack. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you so much for watching. Again, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next week for another one. Bye guys. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. I'm going to focus on my look for tonight. He's gonna drive me insane. Look at this cutie who is making all that noise. He's so over it. Should we finish the video? You can make us? Oh, thank you. Cutie. Is he not the freaking cutest? Okay.